Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a house that was recently reduced in price. It is located in Florence Village, Trelawny. This is a gated community with 24-hour security. The house sits on 0.13 acres of land. This corner lot is an investor's dream, beautifully laid out to maximize on land space to give a total of 5 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms in a 2-level house. The property includes enclosed garage, entertainment room, extra office space in the loft, master suite with an ensuite bathroom consisting of his and hers countertop face basins, along with jacuzzi and huge walk-in closet. Modern designed spacious kitchen with island and quality cupboards and kitchen built-ins. Outside is laden with fruit trees to include mango tree. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US $350,000, or Jamaican $53.8 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.